Intro for review video. Asterisk. Welcome to our comprehensive review video, where today we're diving into the best 10 mechanical door locks for landlords. Let's unlock the details. Number 1. Kwikset 99170-003 Smart Code 917 Keypad Keyless Entry. The Kwikset 99170-003 Smart Code 917 stands out with its versatile keypad keyless entry, allowing for seamless access management. It supports up to 30 unique user codes, making it perfect for multi-tenant properties or vacation rentals. Pros. Easy to install and program. Multiple user codes. Smart key security for superior protection. Cons. Battery-dependent operation. Not compatible with all door types. Number 2. Schlage F10 Lat 622 CEN Latitude Door Lever. Schlage's F10 Lat 622 CEN Latitude Door Lever brings elegance and robustness to any door. Designed for versatility, it fits both residential and commercial settings, offering a higher level of security. The matte black finish not only adds to the aesthetic appeal but also provides durability against physical damage. Pros. Sleek, modern design, easy installation process, durable construction. Cons. Not a keyless entry system. Limited technological features. Number 3. Simplex 710826D Kaba 7100 Series Mechanical Pushbutton Lock. The Simplex 710826D is a testament to the durability and reliability of mechanical locks, requiring no power or batteries to operate. This model is particularly suitable for areas where electronic devices may fail or for landlords preferring traditional security measures. Pros. No power or batteries needed. High reliability and durability. Easy to program and use. Cons. Lacks advanced security features. No remote access capability. Number 4. Vever Mechanical Keyless Entry Door Lock. VEVOR's mechanical keyless entry door lock offers simplicity and efficiency. Perfect for securing storage rooms, office doors, or rental properties. With a 14-digit keypad, it provides a high level of security through thousands of possible code combinations. Pros. Highly secure with a 14-digit keypad. Waterproof and durable design. Easy to install and set up. Cons. No electronic features or connectivity. Manual code change process. Number 5. Kwikset 660 Deadbolt Lock. The Kwikset 660 Deadbolt Lock is a classic solution for landlords prioritizing simplicity and reliability. This single-cylinder deadbolt can be keyed to match other Kwikset locks, allowing for a unified key system across properties. Pros. Simple, effective security, smart key re-key technology, affordable price point. Cons. Basic design with no digital features. Requires a key for operation. Number 6. Simplex Kaba LL 1011-26D41 Cylindrical Pushbutton Lever. The Simplex Kaba LL 1011-26D41 offers a blend of traditional mechanical operation with modern security. This lock doesn't rely on electricity or batteries, making it an ideal choice for high-traffic areas where durability and reliability are paramount. Its push-button design allows for quick access and easy code changes, suitable for a variety of door types. Pros. Highly reliable mechanical operation, easy to change codes without disassembling the lock, durable and designed for heavy use. Cons. Limited features compared to digital models. No remote access or connectivity. Number 7. Milocks DFL02SN Electronic Touchpad Entry Keyless Deadbolt. Milocks DFL02SN combines the convenience of electronic access with the security of a deadbolt. This model features a touchpad for keyless entry and offers easy installation and programming. It's suitable for landlords looking to upgrade their properties' security without significant modifications. Pros. Electronic keyless entry enhances convenience. Touchpad is user-friendly, offers temporary access codes. Cons. Battery dependent, requires regular checks, not as robust against tampering as higher-end models. Number 8. Wi-Fi Smart Door Lock with Handle. This Wi-Fi-enabled smart door lock revolutionizes property access with its remote control capabilities. It supports keyless entry via a keypad or mobile app, and it's compatible with voice assistants like Alexa. Ideal for landlords who value technology and convenience, allowing for remote management of access permissions. Pros. Remote access and control via smartphone. Voice assistant compatibility, easy to install and manage. Cons. Dependent on Wi-Fi connection, higher price point compared to basic locks. Number 9. Kwikset 99170-005 Smart Code 917 Keyless Entry. The Kwikset 99170-005 is an updated version of the SmartCode 917 series, offering enhanced features for landlords. It maintains a keyless entry system with customizable user codes and includes SmartKey security. This lock is designed for those who need both convenience and high security in managing property access. Pros. Customizable user codes for tenants. SmartKey security for high resistance to lock picking. Sleek design and easy installation. Cons. Relies on batteries for operation. Some features may require additional setup. Number 10. Kwikset 955 Keyless Keypad Door Lock. The Kwikset 955 offers an efficient solution for secure, keyless property access. Featuring 3 entry modes and auto-lock functionality, it's designed for landlords seeking a balance between security and convenience. Its versatile design is suitable for a variety of door types and installations. Pros. Multiple entry modes for flexibility. Auto-lock feature enhances security. Easy to program and use. Cons. Battery life varies with usage. Lacks the advanced features of higher-end smart locks. By considering the pros and cons of each model, landlords can select the best mechanical door lock to ensure their properties are secure and accessible.